Hey beautiful people, welcome. My name is Noah and you officially tuned in to Life No More, but I hope you to stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So I just woke up, the time it's past 9. I slept very late yesterday because I was editing the video in which is gonna be up today. So yeah, the Vlogtober challenge, like I so wish I've shoot like a bunch of videos which was gonna just require editing, post, but then it's already late for regret. It's just gonna be a matter of me shooting today, editing today, posting tomorrow. That drill will just have to continue, but then it's like hard on just first day because I ended up sleeping at 3 a.m. trying to edit the video and I'm so tired. So I just finished laundry. I went on and hand washed like the white clothings, the white pillowcases and white shirts. I sometimes feel like my hands or hand washing does a better job compared to my machine, but then whatsoever what matters is that they are clean. So yes, it's done with laundry. So immediately when I finished laundry, load shedding struck as usual. So sis is so hungry, and yeah, now we're just gonna go to Matlapeng Mall, find something to eat, and then after go for an ice cream date. And yeah, I'm so hungry. I need to like find something to eat urgently. I think at the time now it's past 2. I haven't eaten like the whole day. Electricity just came back. So let me quickly show you my fit. I am wearing like these green pants. They're the ones I once wear in some vlog before. They're in a two-piece kind of form. Then yeah, my top from the Fix and my cow head. Is it cow head, babe?
Yeah. Is it more?
A more head from Dragon City. So yeah, this is how I look.
Also ungefähr vlog ya. Hadin na pura kam. Hadin hati ya na. Come on, I think 정보 말해서
I finally received my package. I did make an order a few days ago at Neo's Beauty Aesthetics. It is a South African based brand, which are brands I really love to support. So it was couriered using Pexi via PEP. So I did manage to fetch them today. So they come in like a gift bag. It's just a simple white gift bag with their sticker. Well, the sticker is beautiful, but yeah, the gift bag is just a random gift bag. Then when you open it, it comes looking like this. So it does have a card inside. The card is written Neo's Beauty Aesthetics, babes. A woman supporting a woman supporting Neo's Beauty Aesthetics, a queen that believes in buying quality makeup products at an affordable price. Keep supporting Neo Beauty Aesthetic. Your support doesn't go unrecognized. So it does have their contact numbers here in their message. So it does come in these bubble protection watwati, and it also has a note upper written thank you for your order. And this is how it looks. So it looks so very much beautiful. It also has these protective dondoni. It does have like ingredients written on the bag, and it looks very much luxurious. Like, I'm so in love with them. And look at the palette. Like, look at the palette. Look at the colors. It's like a stack of beautiful, colorful, bright colors. So yeah, I can't wait to dig in this palette. I will actually do a detailed review of the palette. It was just unboxing because I was so excited. I just couldn't wait to see what it is. So yeah, this is one thing that I wanted to unbox for this video. So we're done.